Again, we're talking about using PHP from the command line. Specifically, this video is going to be about the interactive shell. The CLI SAPI provides an interactive shell using the A option if PHP is compiled with readline option. Using the interactive shell, you are able to type PHP code and have it execute directly. Let me demonstrate. PHP-A. It says we have the interactive shell, and it gives us a PHP shell prompt. To get out, put Control-D, and then I clear the screen. The reason this looks messy, here's the Control-D, and then it put the prompt right next to it. That's why it looks messy. But this is the prompt. We got the prompt back. Just clear the screen. Down here, there's a user who gave some very useful information. He says that if you type PHP-A and get a response of interactive shell, which is what we got, followed by the PHP prompt, you have interactive shell available. If instead you get a response of interactive mode enabled, you do not have interactive shell available, and this article does not apply to you. In other words, this whole page does not apply to you. I'm going to walk through this example. I'll do some cut and paste here. Echo 5 plus 8. 13. And we get the prompt back. Here we're declaring a function. I'm going to hit enter. We get the prompt back. Now I put the opening brace for the function and hit enter. Notice I get the prompt back, but the prompt has a brace character to let me know it's expecting another brace at some point. Okay, so now I enter the statement, return $n plus 2. Then I hit enter. Again, it shows me a prompt, but the prompt has a brace in it. It's letting me know that I'm inside a brace block. Well, now it's time to close the brace, so I'm going to close it. Hit enter. Okay, I get the normal prompt back. Now I'm going to do var dump. Var dump, I'm calling the function with n equals 2. So it should give me a var dump whose value is 4. Okay, int 4. In other words, the call to add 2 with a 2 in it returns an integer whose value is 4. Okay, Control-D to close the input stream, and I get the prompt back, and I hit enter just to get the clean prompt. Pressing the tab key twice when there are multiple possible completions will result in a list of these completions. This is the same as in the bash shell. I need to enter interactive mode first. Okay, strp, hit tab once, it doesn't complete it, tab. This is kind of funny. Clear screen. Oh, even clear screen works here. Okay, tab. Okay, that's nice. Alright, when there's only one possible completion, pressing tab once will complete the rest of the same line. Let me put strpt and then hit tab. Okay, so it completed it. Completion will also work for names that have been defined during the current interactive shell session. Alright, let me try that. Okay, $foo equals 42. Wait, let me clear the screen first. Okay, hit enter. Now do $foo, and then hit tab. $foo, hit tab. That didn't work. Okay, I guess for some reason this is not working on my system. Anyways, the interactive shell stores your history, which can be accessed using the up and down keys. The history is saved in your home directory in .php history file. Alright, let me hit up and down arrow. Okay, there's stuff in there. As of PHP 5.4, the CLI SAPI provides the php.ini settings CLI.pager and CLI.prompt. The CLI.pager setting allows an external program such as less to act as a pager for the output instead of being displayed directly on the screen. The CLI prompt setting makes it possible to change the PHP prompt. In PHP 5.4, it was also made possible to set php.ini settings in the interactive shell using the shorthand notation. Let me try this one. Okay, off camera I tried it without the pound sign and it doesn't work that way. So let's do this. Control copy, paste. Hit enter. Okay, now we have a new prompt. Using backticks, it's possible to have PHP code executed in the prompt. Alright, let's try this one. Whoa. Not good. Anyways, let me try hitting enter again. This one is about setting the pager to less. Alright, let me try running this line before I set the pager to less. Copy. I need to enter into the interactive mode, interactive shell. Paste that in there. Run it. Okay, this is what I got. A whole lot of stuff. Oh my goodness. How did it all fit in here? Phew. Alright, this is where it started. Alright, how about clear screen? Alright, so I'm gonna do it this way. Alright, now let me try to run PHP info. Okay. Now I type Q, or how about page down? Or page up? I don't know, this doesn't work too smoothly. Okay, up. It seems like I have to hit everything twice. How about D enter? Nope, that exited me. Alright, this is kind of strange. I don't like this interactive mode. I kind of get the feeling that this PHP interactive shell is a concept that they're still working on. So, this is the last part of this page. It says there's some escape sequences for changing the prompt, and then there's some notes here. I think I covered enough of this. Alright.